Hello, good afternoon. This is a ice cream Coolfy manufacturing machine. In this machine, this is a demo type machine. How we froze the ice cream, or how we can produce the ice cream. Now I'll demonstrate how a ice cream manufacturing machine works. This is a main electrical board from where we can note the energy consumption of the compressor directly coupled to the compressor. LPHP cutout to at which temperature we want to cut the compressor. This is a pressure gauge at low. It is at the evaporator outlet and it is at the compressor outlet. Okay, this is the main switch from where we can on the machine. This is the aggregator switch. Aggregator is used in this machine because when we are freezing the ice cream in this aggregator is used for so that water doesn't froze out. That's why we are using an aggregator. We'll put a brine solution. We have put the brine salt. We will mix the salt with this mixture of water. Then we'll put for around 3 or 4 hours minimum to attain a temperature in -°C. This is a current right now showing. This is a voltmeter and this is a temperature indicator that is telling about the different temperatures. Now I'll tell you the working. Its principle is based on a vapor absorption cycle. This is its condenser, fan for cooling, filter or dryer for the refrigerant. This is the main unit of it, compressor, and this coiling arrangement is going up to the this tank is surrounded by the evaporating coils that is providing the cooling effect to the tank. Now I will describe you the working. This is a service valve through which we will fill the gas R. We have used the refrigerant R404A in this, and then the refrigerant. Now I will describe the working. It is completely a cyclic process. When the cold refrigerant is coming from the outlet of evaporator, it will come into the compressor. Then compressor will increase its pressure to high pressure and convert into vapor. And then the compressor, after converting to high pressure, it will come out from the compressor through this line. Then it will go into the condenser inlet. There we have put the sensor to detect the temperature of the refrigerant at that point. Then it will pass through this 4-row 18 by 18 inch condenser. The axial fan is there to cool the refrigerant and to again it transfer into vapor into liquid refrigerant. Then it will come out through this and this valve, and then it will be filtered, or then it will pass through this. And at this point there is a capillary expansion valve. Through this, the minute hole, the minute piping, the gas will pass and it will be cooled up to sub-zero temperature. Then it will pass to the refrigerant, and again this cycle will work, and this will come back from this again into system, and the cooling will go on. One thing sure, when the temperature go into a minus, right now the tank temperature is 12°C. When it will attain around 10°C, please switch on the aggregator so that water doesn't freeze out in the tank. Now I will show you. This is a tank and it is working, and hope soon ice cream will be freeze out in a few hours, maybe for 4 hours. Now there is a PT100 sensor to check the temperature of this water. These are the different temperature. Now I will show you the different temperature at different points. This is the temperature from the compressor outlet. When compressor compresses the gas, it increases the high pressure refrigerant. Its temperature is 59.2°C. Then it will when it will pass through the condensing coiling. Then a temperature with the help of fan will drop to the extent 36.3, and then it will pass through the expansion valve. That is, we have used capillary. Its temperature will drop down to 1.2°C. It is cooled down. Now it is a low pressure. At low pressure, then it will pass through all coils. Now I will show you when it passed through the all tank, then temperature of these coils. Its temperature is 27.4 degrees. It releases its all cordless to the tank. Now I will show you the temperature at last we attain right now in the tank. Right now we have attained a temperature of 19 degrees Celsius after 1 or 1.5 hour. You should wait for at least 3 to 4 hours for the manufacturing of ice cream. Thanks.